Look at this. This sport is called cricket. Can you say it with me? Cricket. Check this out. This sport is called badminton. Can you say it with me? Badminton. Wow, look at this. This sport is called rock climbing. Can you say it with me? Rock climbing. Ready for another one? This sport is called table tennis. Can you say it with me? Table tennis. Wow! Check this out. This sport is called football. Can you say it with me? Football. Look, this sport is called volleyball. Can you say it with me? Volleyball. Do you know this one? This sport is called hockey. Can you say it with me? Hockey. Next we have running. Can you say it with me? Running. Wow, look at this. This sport is called cycling. Can you say it with me? Cycling. Check this out. This sport is called golf. Can you say it with me? Golf. Look at this. This sport is called rugby. Can you say it with me? Rugby. Next we have baseball. Can you say it with me? Baseball. Do you know this one? This sport is called archery. Can you say it with me? Archery. Do you know this one? This sport is called kabaddi. Can you say it with me? Kabaddi. Look what we found. This sport is called horse riding. Can you say it with me? Horse riding. Check this out. This sport is called swimming. Can you say it with me? Swimming. Look at this. This sport is called skateboarding. Can you say it with me? Skateboarding. Next we have boating. Can you say it with me? Boating. Look at this. This sport is called fishing. Can you say it with me? Fishing. Check this out. This sport is called roller skating. Can you say it with me? Roller skating. Look, this sport is called Coco. Can you say it with me? Coco. Look, this sport is called basketball. Can you say it with me? Basketball. Wow, look at this. This sport is called surfing. Can you say it with me? Surfing. Do you know this one? This is camping. Can you say it with me? Camping. Last one. This sport is called tennis. Can you say it with me? Tennis.